Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding mosquito net. First, gather your materials. You'll need aluminum or PVC channels for the frame, typically 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, select a durable mesh netting like fiberglass to keep those tiny pests out. Don't forget your basic tools: a measuring tape, a saw for precise cuts, a drill, and some screws. Finally, grab small wheels and a handle for easy sliding. Now, let's build the frame. Carefully measure your window or door opening. Accuracy is key here. Cut your chosen channels, whether aluminum or PVC, into 4 pieces, 2 for the height and 2 for the width. Assemble these pieces using corner connectors or by drilling and screwing them together. Make sure your frame is perfectly square and sturdy. This ensures your net slides effortlessly and fits snugly. With your frame ready, it's time for the netting. Lay your fiberglass or polyester mesh over the frame, pulling it taut to prevent sagging. Secure the netting using spline, a rubber gasket, or by stapling it every few inches around the frame's perimeter. Trim any excess netting for a neat appearance. Next, attach the small wheels or rollers to the bottom of your frame, typically 2 or 3, ensuring they spin freely. Finally, let's install your new net. Carefully place the assembled net into your window or door frame, checking that it slides smoothly along its track. Attach a small handle at a convenient height for easy operation. Remember to clean your mesh regularly with a soft brush or damp cloth to keep it clear and effective. Now, you can enjoy fresh air flowing through your home, completely free from bothersome insects, all year round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.